Okay guys, I already put it back together. I will try to start it, but like initial start, I removed the fuel pump, relay, and fuse. So the oil will come up first. I will try to crank it first couple of times and see how it goes. And yeah, I'm just really scared. Hopefully there's no leak, and hopefully it will work. It will start. This is the final moment. I'll put the battery now, and that's good. No spark. Okay, it's good. It's on already. I think it's on inside. So yeah, we'll try to crank a couple of times and see how it goes. Hopefully the first crank, there's no noise already. Okay. I think that's enough. I think the oil is already at the top. And now, yep. And now we can put the fuel relay. Okay, let's try to, my battery or my charger's low, but okay, we'll try to start again. See how it goes. Freaking. My camera. My camera is quite excited than me. I think it's start. I heard it start, but I tried to turn it off. I'll close this one. Coolant. Close the coolant. I will just put some coolant. Freaking. My camera drop. The camera is excited than me. Okay. And then I will close this one. Because where's the radiator cup? Where's my radiator cup? Here. Close this one first. I think I hear the start, but yeah, I think there's a fuel already. There's a fuel already in the system for the new injector and the thing there. So we'll try to start it again. I think this one will start this one because I heard it start already. Camera, don't drop, just stay there. So far so good. So far so good, guys. That's a good noise. That's a good sound. Woo! That's the expression of happy pace start. It starts, and I think there's no knocking noise. But yeah, I'm just a little bit scared because of the fuel. Because there's a fuel leak, so I don't want to start it longer. But so far so good. The first starting is good, and I'm really happy with that sound. Woo! Oh good, I'm happy. No leak at the bottom. That's good.